week's craft is a caterpillar bookmark, or if you prefer, it's a puppet. I like to start by separating all of the pieces. Now let's get all of the little feet pointing forward. We don't want our caterpillar tripping and falling. You put them in whatever order you want. Now, I'm just going to dot a little bit of glue right here on the edge, and I'm going to stick them together. This is where you could, if you choose, use brads instead and make a wiggly puppet. If you decide that that's what you'd want to do, ask your parents first because brads can be very sharp. And now just keep gluing the caterpillar's body to itself until you get to the end of it. Okay, it's time for the head. Every caterpillar needs a head, so let's give this one the best head possible. First, we're going to stick the antenna on, and they can be glued on with a glue stick, as we're doing here, or we tried doing it with school glue, and it held really well, but it took a very, very long time to dry. Something to keep in mind. The next thing that our caterpillar needs are eyes. I absolutely love these googly eyes. They are so much fun. You have to pull them off carefully so you don't get glue all over yourself. And stick them right on there onto that little caterpillar's face. Got a few seconds for the glue dries, so if you need to move them around, you can do that. Now, let's just pop this cute little nose on. It's just a soft little ball of fluff. And then the next thing that we're going to attach is the mouth. Now the mouth is made of foam and it's really flexible, so you could have some fun here. You could give him a crooked smile or even a frowny face if you wanted. Just be creative and have some fun with it. And next thing we need to do is we should probably attach the poor little caterpillar's head to his body. And we are done. Don't forget to go watch our story, The Very Hungry Caterpillar, also found on our YouTube channel. Links are on our website. Thanks for watching.